This video has been classified PG by the Unified Content Standard. It may contain disturbing content such as sirens and loud noises, and will contain apocalyptic themes. Vanta 526 recommends parental guidance for younger viewers. This video might also contain a valid EAS tone at the beginning. Do not play this in public unless you want to get arrested for falsely activating the EAS. Also, this video was inspired by Good Boy 2 Network's Mars is Gone scenario. Credit to him for the idea.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. The President of the United States or his designated representative will appear shortly over the emergency broadcast system. Please stand by. The following message has been given authorization to air by the request of the White House and was brought to you in conjunction with the United Nations and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This alert pertains to a shocking discovery made recently by NASA. Mars has fallen out of orbit and has started to intersect with Earth's orbit. According to NASA, Mars will impact within 30 minutes. Once Mars impacts, both planets will liquefy and essentially fuse together, ending all life on Earth, including humanity. There is nothing that can be done to stop this event. All residents of the United States should gather loved ones and brace for impact. This concludes all operations under the emergency broadcast system. This station will now cease transmission. Good night, and God bless America.